In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to upload your PDF, your ebook on Gumroad for free. So in my last video, I walked you through how to create an ebook on Canva for free. So if you have not seen that video, I'll leave it up in the card and in the description below. So you need to watch that first before coming to watch this video, because you need to create your ebook so you can upload it on Gumroad. So I walk you through how to create an ebook for whatever purpose you want to use it for. If you want to sell it, if you want to give it away as a lead magnet, that video will be useful for you. So go check it out. But here I'm going to walk you through how to create a Gumroad account and how to upload your PDF and have it there for sale or for free. So I'm going to come into Google now and type in Gumroad. So I'll just click on it and log into my own account so you see how it works. So this is Gumroad. If you're just starting for the first time, it's going to ask you to create an account. I already have an account, so I'll just log into my account. So let's quickly create a product. So add new product. Just put in the title of your ebook here. Let's just say workout guide. Okay. Workout guide or free workout guide or whatever, just workout guide. So how much do you want to sell it? I'm going to set it for £9.99. Does this product contain one or more physical goods? So if you're not selling physical goods, just leave this the way it is. But if you are, just toggle it on. So this is a digital product. I'm just going to customize this. So this is what you have. You come in here and fill in the description. So I'll just write something here. Workout guide to help you get started with your daily workout routine. Just describe your product here. That's what that box is for. Don't just describe it like I did. Give it a detailed description so people can know what they're buying. So you need to upload a thumbnail here. You need to create a thumbnail for your ebook, so you can also create that in Canva. And so this is the cover of the ebook, so you need to upload the cover here, or you upload a video telling them what to expect in the book. So I'm just going to leave all of that for now. And so call to action, do you want it to be buy now, buy this, or pay, or I want this? I always leave it at I want this. If you want to summarize what it is about, again, you can write that here. You want to summarize what your book is about, you can just put that in this box. If you have any additional details, put it here. If you want to call out the features, the advantages of this book and why they should buy it, you'll add that here. And this is where you upload the file. So I'm just going to upload that file here now from my computer. We downloaded it in the last video I walked you through. So I'm going to upload that here. I'll go to my download folder and just find that. I think this is it. I'll just upload it now. So this is where, when people when they pay, after payment, they'll be redirected to this PDF so they can download it and have it for keeps after purchase. So you don't have to physically fulfill this. You just upload the file. So that is about the important things you need to do here. If you want to leave it as allow people to pay what they want, you toggle this on, but I never do that. If you have variation, say if you're selling maybe And if you have an upsell, like you want to add a video to it, you can add it here and increase the price and all of that great stuff. So that is basically how you set that up. And so you can see the preview here. This is what it looks like. You need to have your banner uploaded here, your thumbnail, your cover page. You need to have it uploaded here so people can see what it's about. So I'll just save changes and I'll go to checkout. So I like to configure my checkout process to my checkout page. So yeah, if you want to offer discount, this is where you had it and toggle it on. So this is the payment form and the receipt. So after purchasing, you can put a thank you note here. But what button do you want here? I always have download here. Download here. So I could just pause thank you for the purchase. Please access your download on the next page, whatever you want. So yeah, that is that. I'm going to save changes and yeah, let's publish that. We need to publish it. Don't forget to publish. If you don't publish, you won't get a URL, you won't be able to share it and all of that. So it's published now. Then I'll go to share. I'll go to the share page, and so here you can share directly to Twitter, to Facebook, or you can copy the URL. I'll copy the URL now. And if you want to embed it on your website and all, you can do that here and copy the embed code here. So yeah. Let's see what it looks like. I'll just paste that here. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what your customers will see. This is the page they'll see. Please remember to upload an image here so they can see what it's about, and write a very good description so people can read and understand what it's about. So you have the size of the file and how many pages it is. And if a customer clicks, I want this, it takes them to this checkout process where they are able to enter their card details and all of that, and they pay. So that is how the process works. Now in your Gumroad account, you want to go to your settings and make sure that you have your payouts settings already set up, because that is how Gumroad is going to pay you. So make sure you have your bank details here. I think Gumroad pays out with PayPal, Stripe, and you can also put in your bank details if you're in a country that is supported. So yeah, just make sure you have all of that set up and you're good to go. Once you make a sale, you get it in your back office. You see it on your dashboard. You see how many sales you've made and all of that. So that is how you upload your PDF on Gumroad to have it for sale so people can buy and you can make money selling your knowledge and what you know. I hope you found great value in this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed so I can keep bringing you great content like this. If you like this video and you find it very useful, please give it a thumbs up. Turn on the bell notification just beside the subscribe button. Thank you guys for staying with me till the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.